shot. How cool was that? That's my sync point. Okay, start. Okay, sorry.
Terrifying.
Sorry, okay, this is a really simple vlog test of the Insta360 One X versus the GoPro Hero 9 Black, because I know some people will be trying to decide between these two cameras for vlogging. Now, they are very, very different cameras. The Insta360 One X Mark II is a 360 camera, so I can do things like this and this. It shoots a spherical image, so you can reframe it afterwards. So I had to go in and process this image afterwards, or process this video afterwards. The GoPro Hero 9 Black, on the other hand, is a fixed lens, fixed focal length action camera. It is still very wide, so if I stick my arm out, I can go all the way out to there. And the other thing you'll notice is probably the GoPro has got much better image quality because it's a 4K image, whereas the Insta360 One X Mark II is a 5.7K image, which sounds like more, but once you reframe it, that is cropped to a particular part of the 360 image, it's probably closer to 1080 or even 720. So, just gonna walk here, test a few functions of these cameras. We're approaching a river, so this is a good time to do a test of the audio quality, and you can see what that's like. I'm talking here directly to the GoPro Hero 9 Black. There's not very much wind here at all. Typically I've got really good results from the GoPro when talking to it. And now I'm just talking more towards the Insta360 One X. As we go down here, there is background noise. We're approaching a river, so that's starting to come up. But as of yet, there's no wind noise. But yes, now one cool thing that you can do with the Insta360 One X is you can get multiple camera angles from the one angle. So I'm just walking here, holding the camera, not moving it, and I can get this angle where you can see me, and then I can flip around and also get this angle. You can see Naomi. Naomi, turn away. With the GoPro on the other hand, I'm just recording one angle unless I decide, you know, to flip around. With a 360 camera, I have that choice to go in afterwards and decide what angle I want and when I want it. Downside, of course, with the Insta360 One X Mark II, for that is that you have to process the video afterwards, whereas the GoPro, you can chuck it on your computer and start editing. Okay, so those two tests give you an idea of what you can do with both sort of their hyperlapse, time shift functions on these two cameras and how they look different. This is 360 One X Mark II, lets you add motion blur, which I think looks pretty cool. The GoPro doesn't, but it is still pretty stable. And then the other thing I was demonstrating there was how the reframing with the One X, when you get to like a point of interest, you can suddenly use that to change perspective. So I can zoom in really fast after I post-edit it, and then I can go back to normal speed, even slow down even further than that with the One X Mark II. So a lot more creative possibilities. And then it was also demonstrating the difference in quality between the slow motion on the Insta360 One X Mark II with bullet times. I whipped it around my head, compared with the 240 frames with the GoPro, and the different ways that you use those creatively. And I'm going to turn around here so we get near some flowing water. And also, hopefully, you'll have a really good idea of what the audio is like between these two cameras. So, yeah, I mean, I've used cameras like this for the last 2 years, so I know what the results are going to be like. The Insta360 ONE X Mark II is probably going to have, well, is going to have the more interesting looking shots, because you can just do so many more cool things with it. Whereas the GoPro, on the other hand, will definitely have the best video quality. Audio quality, I'm not sure about. This is a genuine test for me. The ONE X Mark II's got 4 cameras, which are 4 microphones, which supposedly will massively improve the audio. The GoPro, on the other hand, has just got 2-3 microphones. So the audio, well, you be the judge, you be the judge. Let me know in the comments which of these 2 cameras you think is the better choice for vlogging. And thanks for, what are you doing? You're dancing in the background again. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to find other videos about small cameras running in the outdoors, feel free to subscribe, look around, watch my teaser. If you don't like anything here, that's fine, please leave. Well, not please leave, but, you know, there's nothing keeping you here if you don't want to be here. Thanks for watching. Okay, one final thing I want to show you because it's really cool. Normally using a 360 camera, you'll use it with like one of these invisible selfie sticks. I bought 2 of them because if you attach them together, it lets you get much further. Now they do sell a 10-foot long one, but it's, you know, it's with that length when it's folded up. These 2 fit in your pocket. I give you a selfie stick of this length, which you can do this with. How cool was that?